I'm going to call Roku-kun's Caillou for a hangout.
Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, it hurts so bad.
Oh my god, Roku-kun Caillou's in trouble. I better save him. This must be Roku-kun's Caillou's family household. I better get inside or Caillou's even more trouble.
Next punishment. Gummy, what are you doing in our house?
I'm going to beat you up, 3 of you, because you give Roku-kun's Caillou a punishment day.
No, 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 no. Don't beat us up, please. We're sorry.
That is what you 3 get for punishing Roku-kun's Caillou.
Wow, Gummy Bear, you saved me from my abusive parents, my hero. I'm telling this to your mom about this.
Yay, I'm now gonna get ungrounded by my mom.
Gummy, I got a phone call in Roku-kun's Caillou. He told me you would beat the 3 abusive parents up. For this, you're ungrounded. As a result, you'll get the iPhone 13 Pro Max, Nintendo Wii U,
A 4K gaming PC.
PS5, and a gaming headset.
Thanks, Mom. You are the best mother ever.
You're welcome, Gummy Bear. You deserve it. You're my favorite son.
Now I have to set up my gaming PC and setting up my PS5 and also Nintendo Wii U and iPhone 13, including my gaming headset.